Fires in the Mission District in particular, quite coincidental that they're all on a transit line. They're in an area that's being renovated anyway. I think we need to look into, has there been any arson investigation? And if not, why not? Why isn't that a priority, especially since there's been some deaths there?
Police official losses of weapons that are in our community are used for crimes.
How many of these new luxury units, market rate units that they're building out here actually have anybody in them, and how many are just things that are being built for people that will not want to live there but want to put their money into housing in San Francisco?
Explained how these different agencies and nonprofits and government agencies and community activist groups work together, and is there need for changes in who does what or better coordination?
San Francisco's changed a great deal with gentrification and so forth. How has that changed the character of the neighborhoods for new residents, for long-time residents, and whether it's created more friction based on inequality?